Just a normal day. Gotta drink my coffee. It's Ratatouille. Oh, thank you, Ratatouille. Mm. Oh, yeah, I still call you Ratatouille. I don't care. Okay. I already don't. Okay, and I know you good. Okay. What's that? Let me just check. Go do this. Boom, boom. Bam. Wait, do you know anyone? Or like the name of like, I don't know. He wasn't asking me for like coffee, but I remember. Go take that one. I don't care. Go. Okay. Oh, it's a unicorn. Hey. I think it's an anomaly. But it doesn't look at me. Hold on, let me check the cameras. Let me switch cameras. Yeah. How do you know I'm looking at the cameras? Oh, I'm stupid. Buh. Yeah. Okay, cool. And? Cool. And? What? Look. You are stupid. I know you know this. Very suspicious. Nah. Let it slide. Okay, go to room 1. I don't care. I summon an anomaly. Ready? It's cross-eyed. It's gonna be an anomaly. Ready? Watch this. Cookie? Oh, wait, my bad. Bitch, put that. Do that. That. I do not care. Go. Please be an anomaly. Hey, yes. Check my camera down. What? I swear, if that's my main camera, I'm gonna. Oh, that little brat. I know who did this. It was that one person that we literally just did. They're gonna get this taser now. Let's fix this. Can't you see? Oh man, my voice is holy. Oh shoot. Ow! Hello! Yeah, take that. What's up, my Ratatouille? Come on, Ratatouille. Boop. Come on, Ratatouille. Goop. What do you need? Okay. You know what? Because that's kind of a waste of time. Just read it. I'm just gonna do this. Ooh, right next to each other. And boom, give me some coffees. Hey, you want this, and this, and this. So, once I die, the video is over. Better not be an anomaly. I'm hungry. Gotta go. Ooh, what are you calling like that? Yeah, go to number one. Go to number one. Yeah. Yeah, I don't care about that person. Go ahead, eat them. I don't care. Oh no, I definitely did not see that little crawling demon. Get out of my flipping hospital. Get out. Come here. No, come here. I'm not done with you. Oh, nice headband, bro. Well, yeah, one. So if you want another one on me, I'm gonna on you. Okay. Very hard. Oh, I thought I got that one. High voltage. What? No, it's not. Oh man, what was it in? Whoa, hold on. I think there's a glitch. Look at that. What is happening? Look at that corner, guys. Look at the corner. See this? There was nothing. Nothing. Is I not yet? Yeah, there's nothing over here. And then how come I walk in here and there's like a little glimpse? What the heck? Yep. Headache and something else I forgot. Yeah, I'm just skip because fast forward a bit. I am not gonna be. We aren't waiting that long. I'm sorry, but no. Oh yeah, I did kind of forget about that. I'm getting tired about to make this. No. The doctor was arriving. It's been a huge normal attack. Okay. Damn, the taser's not ready. No. You look different. Okay. Post the new update. I got this. I'm not gonna die. Come on. Critical patience. In room 7, what the heck? Oh, wait, I'm already in here. Let me help you, bro. So what do you need? Okay, this. And this. And this. What else? Beep, boop, beep, 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 beep. Meh. Meh. You know what? If I was my editor, I'd throw in a couple memes. Oh wait, I am my editor. Huh. Can we just get this over with? Oh. Okay, no, not gonna do that. What have I just done? I just killed someone. Come on, you. Come on. Hurry up, hurry up. Every size babies. Ooh, surgery. Alright, surgery is kind of fun, but first I gotta focus back on him. Okay, ointment. And the wops. I like saying ointment. For some reason, I say it like ointment. Sounds cool. Ointment. Such a funny word. Ointment. Oint. Ointment. Looking like that was 10 seconds left. Ooh, never mind, only left. Dang it. Alright, let's go. Hey, that guy doesn't look weird. Actually, no, I gotta go. I gotta go. Taser, go ahead. Wait, how do you know that's not another anomaly? So if I save you, that's an anomaly. Your fault. What do I do? Yeah, go to two. What do I do?